Alright guys, it is June 9th. As you know, I got a new iPhone and all the new iPhones have the Type-C instead of the Lightning. So I have all these older mics and accessories for my old phones, and so I didn't want to have to buy a bunch of new accessories. So I found an adapter online that adapts the Lightning to the C, and they were only $4.99. iPhone 15 Lightning to USB-C 4-pack, female to USB male adapter, converting for iPhone 15 electronics. So it has a little cap on it. You pull that cap off, there's the C, and then you turn it around, it has the Lightning in the back. So for this, for example, I got a brand new mic, just like the one I have on me. You can just put the Lightning side inside there, and then you have the brand new Type-C. So now I can still use this microphone. I don't have to throw it away, or I don't have to use it just for my old phones. So now this is capable of using the phone we're on. So actually I'm using this exact setup with my new phone. So this is the mic, and it has the same exact adapter into my new iPhone 15. So now I have a setup that I can use. I don't have to buy a brand new mic. These mics are like not real expensive, but they're about 20 some dollars, close to 30, depending on if you get them on sale or not. So now I don't have to buy all new mics, and I was having a problem finding this style of mic with the USB-C. So I'm sure they probably make them, I just couldn't find them. They weren't available where I bought this one. So instead I just have the adapter. So I will send the link in the description, and like you see here, it only cost me, there's probably something else on here, $4.99. $4.99. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And then of course this is my microphone that I use. So now I have a nice little spot I can put everything in. And if you want to, you can keep this nice little pocket here. But for $5, 4 adapters, I thought that was a pretty good deal. All right, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description, and I will see you on the next one.